Spring is in the air, and while many of us are focusing on tax filing around this time of year, it's also the perfect time to consider the long-term tax impacts on your retirement savings. For instance, did you know that without a plan, taxes could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your retirement? You don't want to pay that. Joining us today to share the strategies of how to keep more of your savings, Laurel and Taylor Stewart from Mattson Financial Services. They've been helping West Michigan residents retire successfully for decades. Laurel, Taylor, that time of year again. Thank you, by the way, for being here. I should start with happiness.
We just want to get into the taxes.
And then, I just can't wait to dive into the tax season. For crying out loud, it's got to be the biggest bane when it comes to retirement because there's so many numbers. It's so many dates to remember. Why are taxes such a big problem for retirees?
I think the biggest thing is because there's a lot of times not a plan in place, and when you're filing your taxes, you're focusing on taxes today or last 12 months, reactionary. Whereas when we're getting closer to retirement, closer and closer, we really need to be forecasting, like you had said in the intro, is long term. What's this look like 10, 15, 20 years down the road? What's it look like if you've saved well and you are able to leave a legacy to your kids? Is that when Uncle Sam comes in and takes 40% of the assets? That's not a good plan either, right? So when it comes to filing taxes, a lot of that is more nearsighted, whereas we're looking down the road. So, for instance, I do this all the time with my clients, Roth conversion planning, or are you putting money away into your pre-tax 401k and not really getting much of a tax benefit because it's not bringing you down a tax rate? If you're always going to be in the 22% tax bracket, why not pay that tax today, get that long-term compound growth tax-free, more income for you, less taxes, which could be tens of thousands, I've seen it even over hundreds of thousands of dollars over the longevity of this plan. And then all of a sudden when we pass and we've lived a great long lifestyle, here's a couple $1 million of tax-free inheritance to your kids.
Okay.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
That's
or more tax-free income
I'm sorry,
for
I
you.
was spitting myself as the kid there for a second. But that's true, though. I mean, people, they fear running out of money in retirement. They don't want that. Another fear might be having too much money and having that leftover money get taxed so heavily. So you have a way of making sure that doesn't happen. You can set up those tax advantage structure strategies. That's the word I'm looking for. Those tax strategies before you get to that point. Correct.
And there used to be the stretch IRA, right, where you could pass this on and it could go and go and go. Well, then, we've had changes through the Secure Act, which means if you inherit an IRA being a non-spouse, you have a 10-year time frame of taking that money out. So let's say you have $100,000 in this account. Okay, over 10 years, you could take 10 grand out. But maybe you're going through something. Maybe you're a college kid and you get FAFSA benefits. Well, if you take that income, now you're going to get kicked off of this FAFSA. So now you have 9 years to take this out.
And if you don't, you're going to pay a penalty on it too.
Right.
So it's a double-edged sword,
so you got to navigate a lot of things. And so we look at this from the point of you're with us today and it's your money. How do we protect your assets, right? So you don't pay as much to the government, but also at the end, after your dreams, goals, and desires are lived out, what do you want to do with those dollars? Is that a charity? Is that kids? What do those tax pieces look like? So we're going to take you through every level and step of this journey.
Wow, that's a lot. Can you even lower your taxes? Could that be done in retirement?
You can.
So you can pay less?
Yeah, I think that's maybe one of the misnomers about retirement or just about taxes in general is you really are in control of how much you pay in taxes if you properly diversify your assets and where you're pulling those income sources from. If you're getting close to bumping up to the next tax bracket, maybe we pull a little bit more money out of the Roth IRA that year to keep you down, right? Or you have a big life expenditure come up that you weren't planning on, and it's like, oh, geez, we need this $40,000. That's going to bump us up. Again, the Roth, or maybe even some non-qualified dollars. So pulling from all of these different sources to keep that taxable income down so you're in control of it.
You know what I got from this? A lot of great information, but mainly I got the fact is I'm going to tell you the issues and you're going to handle it.
Yes,
because you guys know this stuff inside and out, and you have a great offer happening right now.
Yes, if you're one of those first 5 callers, if you're getting ready to retire or already retired, we'd love to invite you in, work with one of our fiduciary advisors. This whole process of getting to know us and our team is complimentary. So we want you to see everything, see what that impact looks like, what tweaks we might have for you before you get on this journey with us for the next 3
And how
years.
long is that appointment? It's a complimentary appointment.
Yep.
How long am I spending with you?
We like to dedicate 2 hours to it.
Okay.
Sometimes it can go a little bit faster than that, but it allows us to talk about how we get paid, our investing philosophy, and how we're going to create this written plan. And that's a small part. Really, a lot of this meeting is we want to get to know you.
That's the
we'll leave
majority
the
of it,
dollars for
honestly.
later,
Yeah.
you know, because that's a piece of it, but we can't really create a plan without getting to know you and what you want to do with it. So that's really important.
All right, cool. Well, I'll bring the drinks.
Love it.
We'll sit around. We'll have some charcuterie.
We'll bring the cookies as well.
Right, I love
Warm
this.
cookies and nuts.
But I love that. I mean, think about it. It's up to 2 hours of your time, complimentary, to learn about all of the things you need to know, or at least can learn, about getting a successful retirement. And that's Gary, Taylor, the rest of the team, Laurel, they're all waiting for you to sit down with you personally to customize that enhanced retirement plan just for you. A comprehensive plan that includes a look at your investments, your income sources, your taxes, and so much more to help get you to and through that retirement you deserve. Call now. Get your complimentary spot. 1-800-536-8907. Don't wait. Those spots fill up quickly.